Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can update the inventory of a Shopify product using Node.js. So I have opened the Visual Studio Code and I have created a directory Shopify API project. Now let's open terminal, and in the first command we are going to add npm init -y and hit enter. The next command you are going to type npm install Shopify API node module and hit enter. We are going to use a Shopify API node module, and if you go there and you will see we have Shopify API node module over here, and if you scroll down here they have the instruction how we can use this in our product. So let's copy this and we'll go back to Visual Studio Code. Now we need to create a new file and name that anything. I will name it app.js and paste the code over here. We need shop name, API key and password of Shopify store in which you are going to change the product inventory. So I have a store, and now let's get the credentials. Go to the settings and click on app and sales channels, and then click on develop apps. Create a new app and name it anything. So I'll name it Shopify inventory, something like that. Create app. And after that, we need to configure the admin API scope. So we need to have product read and write access, and inventory read and write access. Save that. And then install this app. And now we have API credentials. Copy this access token, copy that, and go back to your code and put that over here. Then go back again and copy the API key and paste that over here. Now we need a shop name, and you can get the shop name from here. This is the shop name. Copy that, and after that you will type my shopify.com. Now we have instance of the Shopify Node.js module, and we can use that here. So we're going to write a sync function. Sync function set inventory level inventory level, and we are going to pass three things: inventory item ID, and location ID, and the new quantity which we are going to set for the product. New and now we will try and catch and try, we will type const response, and we will use Shopify, so that await Shopify dot inventory level dot set function. Here we are going to pass three things: inventory ID, the inventory item underscore ID, and we will grab that suddenly from here. Next, location ID, from the validator, and the final thing we need, available, and we are going to pass new quantity. So this is our function, and in the catch, after that we will console node log inventory level set, and here we will pass the response. In the case of failure, we will console.log failed to set the inventory level, and we will pass the error here. Now we need to call this function set inventory level, and here we are going to pass the inventory item ID, location ID, and the new quantity. So let's go here in the store, and first we need to get the inventory item ID. So let's open this product, and right now you can see we have 0 inventory, and if you type .json here, you will see the JSON of this product, and from the variants we can get the inventory item ID. Let's copy that and paste that over here, and then we need location ID. Let's go back over here, and go to the settings, and go to locations, then click on the location. This is the default location where we are going to set the inventory. Copy this location ID from the URL and paste that over here. And now set the new quantity, let's say 100. Save that. And now run this file. So we'll type node app.js. So we get the response, inventory level set, and the new inventory is 100. So let's go back over here and reload the product. So as you can see, we have a new inventory over here. Let's try to change the inventory of any other product. So go click on this product. We have 0 available. So let's copy the location ID, inventory item ID, copy that, and paste that over here. And then we have the equation ID and ID, and let's just set the new quantity 50. Save that and type node app.js again and hit enter. Now the new inventory is set. Let's go back over here and reload the product. You will notice we have the new inventory 50. So this is how you can update the inventory of any product by using a Node.js API module. Thank you.